First of all, I want to vehemently condemn the incident that happened about the young man, the blogger, Mr. Mr. Juang, who was killed. I would like to personally pass my condolences to the family and all the people involved in his family. I just want to make a very special plea to the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mr. William Ruto. This is your history and this is your legacy. By the time you get out of power, please think carefully what you leave your children. Whether it is a presidency that was proud, that Kenyans loved, that did things for Kenyans, or a presidency that is going to suffer in infamy, whereby people will know that your history is like Bokassa, your history is like Mobutu, your history is like all these dictators in Africa who have failed. So I want to say that personally I'm very sorry about the death of the young man, and I hold the government completely answerable. I expect the person in charge of Central Police Station and the man who this young man was blogging about, by now the gentleman should have been arrested. By now he should be in custody and he should be helping police find out whether he participated in the killing of the young man or not. Secondly, the issue of Ojwang is related to the issue I'm going to discuss here, violence.